How to log in Amazon app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log in on the Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log in on the Amazon app, open up the Amazon application and then you will see this type of interface. If you have not yet created an account, you can tap on the create an account option, or you can tap on the sign in option because we have already created an account. So first, all you have to do is make sure to enter the email address that is associated with your Amazon account here, right? So I'll also just go ahead and then make sure to enter my email address here. Then I'll tap on continue. Next thing it will ask me is a password. So go ahead and then enter your password, tap on the sign in button, and you will be signed in successfully. Now if you happen to forget your password, then you can tap on forgot password option. It will send a verification code to your email and then you'll be able to reset your password if you want. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then actually log into Amazon app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.